Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. Are you all ready for the next short story? Yes, the title of the story is Gratitude Can Change Destiny. There was a small bird living in a desert. With no sign of greenery, the bird used to hop around on the hot sand through the day. An angel, while on his way to God, saw the little bird and felt pity. He went and asked, "Oh, little bird, what are you doing in this hot desert? Can I do something for you?" The little bird said, "I am very pleased with my life, but this heat is unbearable. Both my feet are getting hurt. Only if there was a tree here, I would be delighted." Angel said, "Growing a tree in the middle of desert is beyond my scope. I am going to meet God. Let me speak to him and ask if he could fulfill your desire." Angel asked God if he could help the bird. God said, "I could grow a tree, but our destiny doesn't allow it, and I can't change that. However, you can give her my message, which will help her survive the heat. Ask her to hop with one foot at a time. That way, she can rest the other one for a while and change the foot often. This way, only one of her foot will have to bear the heat, and other one will be able to rest and recover. Also, tell her to remember all the good things that have happened in her life and be thankful to God for that." Angel came back to where the bird was and gave her this message from God. The bird was delighted by the idea and thanked him for the effort he made to make her comfortable. After a few days, Angel was crossing the same desert and thought of checking on the little bird. He saw the bird sitting on big green tree right in the middle of the desert. Angel was happy to see the bird in comfort, but was very disappointed with God, who suggested that there was no tree in this bird's destiny. He went to meet God and told him the whole story. God replied, "I never lied to you. There was no tree in the bird's destiny. However, after you gave her my message, which asked her to be grateful to God for the kind things, she did put those words to action. She remembered every possible thing from her life and thanked God with a pure heart. I was moved with her feelings of gratitude, and that's what made me change her destiny." Angel was pleased with the answer. A small gratitude can bring so much in our lives. That's all for the today's story. Hope you all will enjoy the story. Thank you for listening to the story. Have a great day.